How to disable calls on Telegram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your device. Click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Settings in here. In Settings, simply click on Privacy and Security. In Privacy and Security, scroll down and click on Calls. In Calls, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Nobody at the top. Make sure the blue dot is in Nobody in Who Can Call Me, and then press on Tick Mark at the top right corner of your screen, and then you're good to go. This is how to disable calls on Telegram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.